Hey guys, locally lost Lapidary. Gonna be doing some tiger's eye today. I actually love tiger's eye. I know people are a little biased when it comes to cutting it, but this was my favorite stone when I first got into Lapidary. I just always loved the way it's chatoyant, and I just love that golden amber color. So I'm actually gonna leave the back raw, and I cut it off a brick. I'm gonna just do a freestyle cab, just make it look nice and pretty. Been having a lot of people coming up to my pop-up stand asking for something for their husband or their son, and I don't have too many masculine pieces, so I'm gonna try to make a masculine piece. All right, let's get into it. All right, got the 80 grit diamond disc, my good old Amazon disc. Crank the starter on, and let's just flatten this out. Flatten her out. Got a little mask on just for protection. Ooh, little kickback. Almost to where I want to be. About right. So I'm gonna get that. Then I'm gonna round up this little dip here. Real simple. Like, I'll probably go down a little bit more. Like the wavy shape, like the natural wavy shape it has to it. It's like rounded. Everywhere, huh? Alright. So let me get to work on this. It's starting to come out though. Look at that. Really starting to come out. Nice and flat. Like I said, just a little freestyle cab, just make it look pretty. I'm gonna start doming it out, working on that. All right, to the time lapse. Kind of digging this. It's like a kite looking formation. I don't know, I just went with it and this is what came out. Looking good. I think I'll stick with it and just smooth it out a little bit. I really like how that looks. Alright, on to the 180. Real quick, guys, make sure you're wearing a respirator kind of mask. Don't cheap out and just do like a K9 face mask. You really want to protect your lungs because you only got two. Back to the 180. Tiger's eye starting to look beautiful. A little chatoyancy there. A little play. Look at that. Totally didn't plan that shape. I don't think I've ever cut a shape like this before. But it seems to be working out. I haven't bought stencils yet. I do have a 3D printer, so if I ever do get stencils, I'll just 3D print them. But I don't even know if I could ever use them. I've always been a freeform artist. I don't know. I'll definitely have to try in a video. Print out some stencils. This looks great. There is some pitting though, I noticed. And I think that just comes with the stone. Alright, let's get on with the 300. And here we are. Turn that water off. Get it wet. That helped out, didn't it? Okay. I guess I should pull the mask off. Now I can breathe. Alright, look at that. Soften the edges. This is gonna be beautiful. Nice and domey. Not pitting really bad anymore. I read that you can rub epoxy or super glue on top, and then when you're grinding, and it'll stop it from pitting. But I don't know. That just didn't make too much sense to me. Maybe it works. Maybe I'm the fool. Alright, now to the 500 grit silicon carbide foam pad. Let's do it. Here we are. Whew. Did the trick like always. Not too much major pitting. I like it. Holding the shape. And nice and chatoyant. Alright, let's get all this cleaned up. 320 polish. 325. This cab is really coming to life. Nice, nice, nice. All right, let's get to the 600. Done with the 600. I have to say, this thing is looking great. Gosh. See all the chatoyancy for sure. This is an amazing piece of tiger's eye. So glad I decided to do this. All right, let's get to the 1200. Looking good. $1,200 polish. All right, now it's time for some cerium oxide. Good old cerium. Get it. There we go. The makeshift cerium oxide wheel. Got the felt, the premium felt on top of the EV foam. Throw that in there. And take my cerium oxide. Last time I used my hands, and I kind of regret that. It was a huge mess. Just paint it on there. Just charge her up. No need to get too close to that knob, because I never get close to the knob. Okay, she's nice and charged. Put this to the side, and let's give her a whirl. Here is the cab. So much chatoyancy is throwing off my camera. That's awesome. Just a little bit of natural pitting. It's all good. That's pretty. Kept the back nice and raw. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, make sure to subscribe. Posting a video every day. So always new content to be watching out for. Have a good day or a good night. Locally lost lapidary. And I'm out.